palpak na naman yung gawa mo sa client. Pang ilang beses na ito ngayong buwan. Well, sawa ka na mag-apologize. Sawa na rin yung kliyente mag-apologize. This is also the time that you also reflect on the work that you're doing. Kasi sabi nga, if you keep making the same mistake over and over, ang tawag dyan is
Insanity!
Diba? Hindi linsanity. So, ano pwede mong gawin? Alamin mo, teka, ba't nga ba ako pumalpak? Pumalpak. Ano kaya yung mga na-miss ko? Kung hindi mo makita, you can ask the client. I tried to review where I've been making the mistakes, but I just could not figure it out. Can you please help me improve on this so I won't make the mistakes again? I think clients are inherently kind, like all people are. And kailangan mo lang bigyan silang opportunity to let that kindness shower on you. And how do you do that? By simply asking for help. Diba? Malaking bagay, simple lang, diretsong-diretso. Sana may natutunan ka, hindi yung puro ka na lang pabebe nga ngawa-ngawa at sasabihin mo doon sa mga kinaingit na, yabang naman yan. Yun lang. Bye, bashers.